Hi, I'm Chef Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make cheesy potatoes from peeled potatoes. First, you want to start with peeled russet potatoes. These are potatoes that I have already peeled and I'm just storing them in ice water until they're ready to use. By putting them in ice water, that helps prevent them from turning brown. So first, I've got my peeled potato and I am just going to cut it in quarters. Today, I'm going to be slicing my potatoes in the food processor. If you have a food processor or a mandolin, that helps your potatoes get really, really thin slices. If you don't have a food processor or a mandolin, you can use a knife, but just make sure to cut them extremely thin. Now, I'm going to slice up my potatoes. Today, I'm using my food processor to slice up the potatoes to make sure they get paper thin. For today's dish, I'm using 4 large russet potatoes. Now that my potatoes are paper thin, I can add them to my oven-proof baking dish. I love using the food processor or the mandolin for my cheesy potatoes because it gets them extremely thin. Now I'm going to make the cheese sauce for my potatoes. First, I have 1½ cups heavy cream. I have 1/2 cup of milk. A couple tablespoons of flour, a cup of grated cheese. Today I'm using sharp cheddar, but you can use your favorite cheese. You could try smoked Gouda, Parmesan, just experiment and find out what works best for you. A little bit of seasoning. This is a combination of red pepper flakes, garlic, and onion, and a little bit of fresh ground pepper. Stir everything together and then pour over your sliced, peeled potatoes. Then give everything a good mix to make sure all of the ingredients are combined. Now you'll want to bake your cheesy potatoes in the oven for about an hour. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to make cheesy potatoes from peeled potatoes. Enjoy.